This is a SOLIOM S90 4G camera. It's a security camera, hook up anywhere, outages for farms, houses, RVs, anywhere that you need to have 4G service wirelessly. We're going to open up the box, show you what you get inside. Everything's protected by foam. You have paperwork, a solar panel with cord, tripod hookup area, cable and hardware, tripod adapter and hardware, and the security camera. Please peel off the film. Demonstrating over here, we're going to hang up the tripod stand holder, adjust to the sun either way, and the removal of the bracket by spreading and sliding down. With the flatheads, place on and lock down and connect up. On the bottom, we have a USB-C, IP rated, remove the doors, and the reset and the on and off button. Our demonstration purposes, we're plugging in, turning the unit on, and reapplying connection. Before hooking up, we have the antennas, the camera, 4K, PIR sensor, 2 LED lights, infrared. It's a quail cam. SIM card is required. That plugs into the bottom of the camera, the speaker, the USB-C port, the on and off switch. Please close the doors for IP rating and open up to place in the SIM card, the button, and a TF card slot. Once the SIM card is in and installed, please close the door with the USB-C cable plugged in and turn the unit on and wait for 1 minute of a solid blue light. A quick rapid flash to a solid blue light and we're ready to go. A reset is required when inserting the card, and hit next and follow the instructions by scanning the QR symbol, placing a name to the device, and follow the information that is provided.
Enter a new address or press enter to use your default address.
Onto the unit.
Install the camera. Scan the QR code on the camera to connect.
And follow the instructions by scanning the QR symbol.
Enter the camera name and address.
Placing a name to the device.
Name and address can go to the next step directly.
And all hooked up, we have a red light with a blue light indicator of showing that scene detection is being recorded. What we're going to do is open up the application, show you the camera screen, and follow the information provided until the screen is set up. We have a cog gear, device name, memory card, image, and so forth, of all the information provided. We have a scene mode, normal or night vision for nighttime, activity detection, high, medium, low, human detection, and alarm. We have an alarm and a recording time of 10 seconds all the way up to 30 seconds down to 5 seconds. On the main screen, we have a speaker, two-way conversation, test 1, 2, 3. We could take a photo by hitting the photo and taking a video by hitting the video. We have the option to turn the light on. We have a pan, tilt, and movement that we could tilt up by pressing. And we have a speed to adjust high, medium, and low. We have HD quality and SD quality. And what we're going to do is go outside, hang this up, and show you what it looks like in the daytime and the nighttime. And you can place this anywhere imaginable with the cell phone services. The LEDs come on when the lights are low and covered up on the panel. We're all hooked up and we have our camera and it's detecting motion and so forth. And we'll show you what it looks like in the evening hours when lit up. As you can hear, there was notification. So here we are looking at the camera, away from the camera, and what it looks like. We have the security camera, detects motion, everything through the application. It is a nighttime video just demonstrating how it looks at night and showing you over here on the camera what it looks like. We're going to angle it down, showing you on the camera what it looks like. Anywhere on the go, subscription 4G cellular Wi-Fi camera. Security camera, hook up to the Wi-Fi and 4G. Enjoy your product if this is right for you.